If you're anything like me, you're pretty real and honest with your feelings and where you're at in your life. And where I was a year ago with my house and with all the clutter was overwhelming. I was overstimulated. I felt trapped. I didn't know where to start. So I decided to come up with a daily cleaning challenge where I just decluttered one thing a day. And it led to decluttering more and more and more and more until I have completely gone through 90% of my possessions and gotten rid of so many bags of donation and trash, and I've filled up dumpsters. It's been a crazy journey, and I'm just super, super grateful that you guys have stuck along and that it's motivated you guys to get your cleaning done. I wish I could go into you guys' houses and see everything you guys have done. I'm so proud of you guys. So in today's video, I decided to compile 1 full month of all of my cleaning that I have done. And looking at this video is just wild to me, just how much work goes into what we do as house managers, housewives, housekeepers, just the soul, taking care of the house. People ask me all the time why they don't see my husband cleaning or doing anything, and that's because this is my channel. I'm showing myself cleaning. My husband does his fair share in our house, but he is the main breadwinner for our family, and he is one of the hardest workers. He's actually the hardest worker I know. He is just awesome. But yeah, that's why you don't see him in these videos. So things and people have different dynamics, so don't judge based off of what you see in social media. It's usually not 100% accurate. Something else that has helped our decluttering when it comes to the kids' toys is getting rid of 80% of the toys. My kids have the toys in their toy bins that they play with, and we are constantly swapping out toys and donating if they aren't into those toys. But with that said, it is still super duper challenging, the state that my home was in a year ago. You guys can go back in my videos and check it out if you don't believe me. But now it's just normal day-to-day messes and cleaning up after myself and the house, getting all the laundry done. We're a household of 7, so we have a lot of laundry. Even though I have definitely reduced our inventory, we still have a lot of laundry. I'm not gonna lie, I don't fold my kiddos' clothes anymore. I let them take their clothes to their bins in their bedrooms, and that is how we do that, because I feel like folding right now is just a waste of my time. I used to sit there and fold, and I just have other things that I can be doing than folding laundry. My kids are also capable of folding laundry, so if they want their clothes folded, they can fold them in their drawers. Honestly, my biggest tip for decluttering and minimizing your clutter in your home is to just stop shopping. Stop going to the thrift store. Stop bringing in unnecessary things because you think you might need it or you just want it because you like it. Take a picture of the item and really make good and intentional choices on what you're bringing into your home. Keeping up with little things a day can really make a difference in your home. So not passing by those little things that we pass by in our house, like the little clutter that gets built up on the shelf next to the front door, or managing the mess on top of the countertops. Just if you walk by it, just quickly putting it in its place can make a huge difference. I've noticed that in my home. Also, something that can help is making a mental note when you feel pressured to buy. So with that being said, like when you walk into Target, if you constantly stop at that dollar shop and you're like, oh, I need this. Oh, this is so cute. I want this. And you put it in your cart, put it back on the shelf, take a moment and think, do I actually want to bring this into my home? Does it actually, or is it actually going to serve me? And if it's not, you'll have a better realization of that, and you'll be able to just put it back and admire it on the shelves. That's something that's really helped me, because I love all of the things I see with my eyes, but then when it comes to bringing it in my house, I don't need it. If you're a friend of my channel, you know that I'm nothing new to cleaning as using it as therapy. It's funny because I have people on here, like prior to getting my house in order, they were like, you should see a therapist. I mean, you get not very kind comments on the internet. It's fine. Like, it's not the end of the world. It does not hurt my feelings. I can take criticism. But anyways, yeah, so I actually enjoy cleaning. It's always been therapeutic to me. It's a time where my mind can kind of shut off and just think about things, and it's kind of like one of those processes where you get to see your space transform, and I feel like I can really get my mind right when I'm cleaning and just focus on the things that matter, like taking care of my home for my family. Another thing that's helped in my cleaning is I do let my kids help clean. You just don't see them in most of my videos because this is my channel and it's not a kiddo channel. But I have them either in their rooms doing something or playing or putting their clothes away or making their beds. I've definitely, at this point in my life, I need their help when it comes to maintaining and cleaning. Because, like I said, we are a large family, so there is always something that needs to be done. You guys also know that this is real life content, so things aren't going to be picture perfect. I will have a mess going on in my house, probably in every single video. You'll see me cleaning my countertops in probably every single video because we are real content creators here. I'm not making anything up. I'm not staging. I've had people tell me I'm staging this stuff. Like, why in the world would I stage a mess for you guys to see? I have better things in my life to do than fake a mess. That sounds ridiculous. When are you guys cleaning out your cars? Are you doing it monthly? Are you doing it daily? Are you doing it every time you get in your car? I know I clean trash out, but I think every month I go through and get a really super deep clean on my car. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments. If you guys have watched this far, leave me a star emoji in the comments. One thing, one piece of encouragement, one piece of advice, please don't compare yourself to anybody on social media. You guys do not know what's going on behind the scenes. And if a life looks picture perfect, it most likely isn't. Every day is a challenge. We are all working on our own physical, mental health, and just take it one day at a time. You guys are doing so amazing. I'm so proud of you. I hope you're staying so motivated and encouraged through my content here on YouTube. I wish I could give every one of you a big hug. I will see you in my next video. Stay so motivated, so encouraged. Bye for now.